Hi explorers, I'm Isla and today we have a special guest. Meet Bella, the talking cat.
Hello, Isla. Hello, explorers. I'm excited to be here. Did you know I'm part of a special animal class?
Really? I wonder which one. Do you explorers know about animal classes? Let's find out together. Animals belong to different classes based on their characteristics. Today, we'll explore mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and fish. Plus, we'll meet some cool species from each class.
This is going to be so much fun. Let's get started.
First, mammals. Mammals, like Bella and humans, are warm-blooded. Most have fur or hair and give birth to live young.
And don't forget, mammals drink milk when they're babies. That's my favorite part.
Some common mammals are lions, elephants, and whales. Did you know bats are mammals too? They're the only ones that can fly.
Wow, even dolphins and bears are mammals. Cool, right?
Exactly. Explorers, can you think of any other mammals? Next up, reptiles. They're cold-blooded, have scales, and lay eggs on land.
They're pretty ancient creatures. Think of crocodiles, turtles, and snakes.
Yes, reptiles include lizards like the iguana and snakes like the boa constrictor. Fun fact, turtles can live over 100 years.
That's amazing. Explorers, what's your favorite reptile?
Now, let's talk about birds. They have feathers, wings, and most of them can fly.
Did you know all birds lay eggs? And not all birds fly, like penguins and ostriches.
Good point, Bella. Some common birds are eagles, parrots, and owls. The peacock has such beautiful feathers.
And hummingbirds are the smallest birds and can hover like helicopters.
Wow, that's cool. Can you explorers flap your wings like a bird? Now, let's hop into the world of amphibians. These animals live both in water and on land.
They're like nature's shapeshifters, starting as tadpoles and becoming frogs.
Exactly. Frogs, toads, salamanders, and newts are amphibians. Did you know the poison dart frog is one of the most toxic animals?
I'd stay away from that. Explorers, what sound does a frog make? Ribbit, ribbit.
Last but not least, fish. They live underwater, breathe through gills, and use fins to swim.
There are so many types of fish, from goldfish to sharks.
True. Other examples are clownfish, angelfish, and the giant whale shark. Did you know some fish glow in the dark?
Fish have such cool colors.
Explorers, can you swim like a fish? Let's play a guessing game. I'll describe an animal and you guess its class. Ready? It has fur, drinks milk, and loves to cuddle.
It has scales, lives in water, and breathes through gills.
It can fly and has feathers.
It's cold-blooded, has scales, and often lays eggs on land. Most of them are great at crawling or climbing.
It starts in water and moves to land.
Did you know cats like me can't taste sweets? Weird, right?
That's funny, Bella. And did you know elephants are the only mammals that can't jump?
Mind-blowing.
Explorers, we learned so much about animal classes today.
Thanks for exploring with us. Remember, animals are amazing. Take care of them in their homes.
Let's take a selfie with Bella to remember our adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time at Explorers Lab for Kids. Bye, Explorers!
Meow, bye.
Explorers Lab for Kids.